cash unstuffing time. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budgeter Wars. My name's Sarah, disabled low-income budgeter, and we're going to be doing a cash unstuffing. Things have gotten a little hectic and chaotic, so yeah, we're going to be unstuffing, and I'll be talking you through some like the basic things, and then I'm going to be talking you through and showing you some footage of something that's just a little bit intense, and then we're going to be taking it back to the bank. So let's get started. First things first, we had that family event in Sydney, so we are going to be taking some money out of family. We're going to be taking $30 for that event out of family. We will be coming back to this, we'll be coming back to this later. We also did some Christmas shopping. So we're taking all of Christmas out because we've done all of the Christmas shopping, and the Christmas shopping cost a bit more than we thought, so I'm also going to take an extra $50 out of family. And then friends, I also bought some Christmas presents for some friends, so I need to take 30, so I'm gonna do a 50 and put a 20 back. So for 3 of my friends I bought different things, so there's still some money there. Okay, for home, I had to pay my car rego, so all of this has to go, and I also had to, well, actually we'll come back to what's going on with the house, but it's a lot. I also had to get a new phone holder for my car, so I'm going to take that out of technology. So it was 25, so I'll take a 20, and if I've got it, I'll take the 5 as well and put that back into technology. That's everything. From there, we'll be coming back here, don't worry. And pretty sure I don't have anything in self. Yeah, self is empty. So I'm going to insert some clips. Hi guys. So hoping that the month will be smooth sailing. Can you see that marker there? That's an indication that I have to get plumbing work done. They're going to have to dig down and dig up and replace some plumbing pipes there. Yay! Yeah, so looks like I'm gonna have to dig into all of my emergencies and all of that again. When the guys are here, I'll see if they'll let me film some of it. But yeah, so much for November going smoothly. as you can see, I'm extremely unlucky, and yeah, my stormwater pipes burst underground, meaning that it was backing up and flooding into the backyard and into my neighbor's backyard. So emergency repairs had to be done, which involved digging up my yard, my front yard, and my side yard near my driveway, and replacing pipes, which was expensive, extremely expensive. I'm fairly sure I can claim most of it back on my home insurance. However, you have to pay it out to get it back. So that's what I've done. I've paid it out, and then I'm making a claim to get it back because it had to be fixed. It was an emergency fix. So we need to unstuff from different categories, because I've taken as much money as I can out of other things just because I didn't really have a choice. Okay, let's have a look at the reality of what I have to do here. So we're going to go into a high priority, and this emergency money, thank goodness for emergency money, and thank goodness. These 200 straight back into the bank, straight back. My excesses, they're going straight back into I took these out of the account in order to just start the process of saying I wanted to put an insurance claim in, and then like getting some of the reports done. So I've taken them out, and that's exactly why I have this excess paid for. Like I try and keep this ready to go. It's exactly why I do that, because I don't want something like this to happen and me not be able to like start the insurance process. Like no, I don't want that to happen. I'm not going to take anything out of my people's. I'm going to try not to. I'm going to see if we can get enough money here. I think we can. I have done a quick look at the math. In terms of home, I'm taking the money out of the cash, out of the house, and I'm going to take the rest of the technology out. Like, all the home money, man. Emergency home repairs, they're coming out. And I also want to take some of the money from the business binder, because I do work from home. Having home as a place where I can actually do work. I do need some money in here. I'm going to give it a count and see how much we have without it before I tap the business, because this savings challenge is almost complete. So, and this one's probably got a couple of hundred in it. So I just want to see. So we're just going to sort out what we have before we give it a count. Usually don't have hundreds, so hopefully I can count this okay. So I need about $500 cash to go back into the account to make it all even. So let's see if we've got 500 here. 100, 200, 300, 50, 400, 50, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. 675, good. we have enough that we need, which is good, and that's going to be able to cover getting everything back to basically zero, which is exactly what I needed. So I'm going to pop this in here. This is my deposit back to bank envelope, and you will see back to regular programming. Yeah, back to my regular last fortnight cash stuffing, and all of that will be coming up. Thank you for being here. And you know what, if you've been following along with my journey, it's been a bit of a weird couple of months, years ahead, but you know what, having this cash stuffing system has enabled me to deal with a near-death experience, hospitalization, and being able to pay for my pet's boarding for a month and a half. A near-death experience when my car got written off and needing to figure out how to get a new car and financing on a new car. Emergency house repairs, as well as just living on a low-income budget, like the realities of living on a low-income budget while having disabilities. So like, yo guys, this cash budgeting method, it works. It really, really works. I can't recommend it more highly. All right, green heart in the comments. Feel free to leave any questions. You can catch me everywhere. I'm just at Budget of Oz everywhere. And I'm hoping you're having a better time than I am right now. As always, so glad to see you here. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much.